Presenting OnePlus 8 Pro 5G with 48 megapixel rear camera and 48 megapixel front camera. You have 3 color options to choose from: Onyx Black, Glacial Green and Ultramarine Blue. You can also choose from 2 memory variants as 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Both the SIM slots support nano SIMs with 5G connections on dual standby. 6.78-inch 120Hz fluid display with 3168 by 1440 pixels resolution and 513 ppi density let you have an immersive experience. This smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor. The 48 megapixel rear camera is capable of shooting 4K or Ultra HD videos at 30 or 60 FPS. OnePlus 8 5G Pro is powered by Oxygen operating system, which is based on Android version 10 with 2.86 GHz of clock speed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 powered by Kryo 585 CPU octa-core processor and Adreno 650. The 4510 mAh lithium-ion battery provides you with longer talk time. The box includes Warp charger, 30T power adapter, Warp Type-C cable which supports USB 2.0, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, logo sticker, case, pre-applied screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 8 5G Pro smartphone comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty on the device and 6 months manufacturer warranty on the in-box accessories including the batteries. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome to this unboxing. Today we have with us the OnePlus 8 Pro in Glacial Green color, and let's see what all we get inside the box. This is the variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Opening the box is fairly easy as you just need to hold the top cover to let the box slide down on its own. You will find the phone inside with the plastic wrapping. Let's keep it aside for a while. There is a transparent case for the OnePlus 8 Pro inside the box. It's a new design with never settle edged out on the side. Next, you will find a red Type-C charging cable that has become synonymous with OnePlus phones. There's a Warp Charge 30 adapter at the bottom side under a flap. The top cover that we pulled out earlier has all the paperwork. You will find a red cable club card along with a quick start guide, safety information leaflets, a welcome letter, the latest OnePlus stickers and a SIM ejector tool. So if you're looking to buy the OnePlus 8 Pro, this is all what you will find inside the box. It comes packed with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset that makes it 5G enabled and has a 120Hz high refresh rate display that ensures a smooth user experience. The Glacial Green color that we have here has a matte finish unlike the other variants and is also resistant to fingerprint and smudges. That was a quick look at the OnePlus 8 Pro and everything you will find inside its retail box. We'll be testing out the OnePlus 8 Pro for our full review on digit.in. Thanks for watching.
The OnePlus 8 Pro is a premium flagship smartphone that includes the latest hardware and offers one of the fastest experiences so far. Let's look at the best 5 features of the phone. The OnePlus 8 Pro features an AMOLED display with QHD+ resolution capable of running at 120Hz refresh rate. It also supports HDR10+ content and uses a dedicated MEMC chip to improve videos on streaming apps. The display, measuring 6.7 inches, curves sharply along the edges and provides a good grip. As for the performance, the OnePlus 8 Pro features a Snapdragon 865 SoC combined with up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. The hardware inside can handle just about any app or game you throw at it. The OnePlus 8 Pro features not one but two 48 megapixel cameras in the quad camera stack. That includes a 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.7 aperture, and another 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture. Then there is another 8 megapixel camera with 3x optical zoom. The fourth lens is a color filter that can add good effects to the photo. In our unit it was disabled when we shot this video, but will soon be enabled via a software update. The OnePlus 8 Pro also features a sleek design that's both ergonomic and premium. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both sides. The variant you see in our hands is the Glacial green variant. It has a smooth matte finish which is nice to hold. The phone is also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet in the rain. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a 30-watt warp charger in the box that can top up the 4510 mAh battery in around an hour. But more interestingly, it supports 30-watt fast wireless charging, which is something that's very new and right at the bleeding edge of wireless charging technology. OnePlus sells a separate Warp Charge 30 wireless charger for this. So that was a quick rundown of the top 5 features of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Thanks for watching.